Growing up in Hatch was very good to me. I come from an immigrant family, and so my parents came here from Mexico. And growing up, the valley is known for labor and farming and all these things. So I grew up working, picking chili as a young boy, chopping onions and cleaning a lot of the fields out here. Instead of looking forward to summer vacation, it was gonna be working in the summers. So I knew every summer I had to do my part to help out my family. You get to grow up a little bit faster around here because of the type of work that we do. While I'm very proud and extremely thankful for being able to grow as a person in these fields, I also want to break the cycle and no longer have to rely on breaking my back to feed my family. I want to be that person that breaks the cycle, and I know that in order to do that, I need to get an education. My name is Manuel Serrano. I am from Hatch, New Mexico. I'm a Ph.D. candidate in mechanical engineering at New Mexico State University. I am a first-generation student. What that means is I am the first in my family to go on to college, and it goes a little bit further for me, actually. So I'm a first-generation individual that finished elementary school, first generation that finished middle school, the first one in my family to finish and get a high school diploma. I also from there went on to college and have since gotten my bachelor's degree and also my master's degree. So right now I'm actually pursuing my doctorate degree. Yeah, I feel that New Mexico State was the excellent choice. The university has taken a lot of steps towards helping students really with scholarships and funding, and they're doing a lot of partnerships with a lot of the labs around here, with Sandia, Los Alamos National Labs, and NASA, that is only gonna help a future generation of students. So once I'm done with my doctorate degree at the New Mexico State University, I definitely want to give back. The motivation behind why I have been pushing myself to pursue this doctorate degree actually goes back to the roots of just my parents sacrificing everything for myself and my siblings. So I have been picturing for a few years now the moment in my mind when I step to my parents' house and I present them with this doctorate degree. There's a lot of long nights sometimes that you do feel, or you get this feeling of perhaps giving up, but that scenario is so strong for me that I want to make it a reality. And their honor is why I am doing what I'm doing.